Alright YouTube, this is my dad's 2017 Super Duty F250. As you can see, the camera is super fogged. That's my red truck in the corner over there. And no matter where you got, it's not glare on the screen. This is a clear image. The camera is fogged up from moisture. So I got a new one from Ford. It was a little over $300 for an OEM camera, which is painful, but he cannot take this anymore. You really can't even, it's hard to even see the ball on the trailer hitch when you're backing up, especially if this is pure daylight. At dusk, when it's getting a little darker, at nighttime it's impossible. You can't see anything. So let's take a look at actually where this camera is mounted. So now we're at the back of the truck. The camera's obviously in this plastic shroud right here. Now, I'm happy to see that this is split because this is the part that clips onto the top of the tailgate, and that is a pain to get off. It's cold right now and it'd probably break the clips. When I open this up, it looks to me, hopefully, just these 10mm bolt heads right there. There's one there, and I'm sure there might be some retaining clips holding this trim piece underneath with the camera in it. So we're gonna pull that off and I'm gonna let you know what I find. Just a quick tip, use a magnet to get these nuts out because you will drop that in the tailgate with a quickness and just make for unnecessary work. Okay, I also removed these two 10mm bolts as well, and I can feel when I push down on this that it's all moving. So it's obviously these four bolts hold together the grab handle down here with the camera in it. So let's get it off. All right, so you have your four bolts holding it on. You also have a retainer clip right where my finger is. There's a white one, white retainer clip on both sides. Don't try to force it off. It pulls straight out, so pull this straight out like this, and now you can see the mounting hardware. So take another look at this. So that's your camera right there with the brown plug, but look at the heat sink on this LED right here. Good Lord, we know that thing's bright, but that's why it has to dissipate that heat. It's pretty interesting. So let's unplug this, get the new camera in, and we should be good to go. And there you have it. And this is the new camera on the left, the old camera on the right, and it's pretty obvious that this has moisture in it. And it looks like the fog is really like the peripheral around the lens. It's capturing the light. So hopefully this new one doesn't do it. We think it's from pressure washing at the car wash. This is the exact same part, so they haven't fixed anything if that's the issue. So I have a friend with a 2017 Platinum, exact same problem. So these cameras are failing. It's not just this particular truck, it's across the board. So let's get the new one in and see what it looks like. And as far as the install goes, there's one Torx 20 screw, and then this bracket right here slips back, revealing the camera. So very, very easy. So we have it clipped in. Once it's clipped in, you can actually just open your tailgate up again and remove this step if you have it, which hopefully you do, and then reinstall your four 10mm nuts. All right, so there you have it. One non-foggy camera. There's the old foggy camera. So I actually tried to open this up with some pliers. Yeah, not happening. There's little tabs in there, pushed on them, the flathead, also not happening. Is it possible to get into this camera? Maybe. I couldn't, and if you did, you probably would break it. So good luck with that. It looks like $300 is your only option. So let's see what an actual new backup camera looks like. Oh, look at that color. Let's go back to the truck. Make sure I don't roll over my cart. And right there, that's a good frame. Now look at that. That is what I'm talking about. So if this fix helps you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.